Thank you for contacting AeroAdmin. Here today I am going to show you how to implement unattended access to computers and servers. Click on connection and click on service. Once you click on service, there should be an asterisk involved so that you can say that the service is starting along with the Windows machine. Secondly, you have to click on access rights and click on the plus sign next to it. And now you input the ID of the admin computer, which will be like 123456789. And now give a name to the computer like admin PC and set up a strong password and confirm the password and click on OK. Once you do that, you have to restart the Hero admin by clicking on connection, exit, and then running again. Now try to connect to the remote computer using the ID, and once you are prompted for a password, then everything is working fine. This is how unattended access to servers and computers are implemented. Thank you.